Happy Monday, Brazos Valley. We've got a little bit of blue sky out there to start off your day, but cloud cover, that's quickly coming back and staying in place as we go throughout the whole week. Temperatures, it is warm. We are into the mid to upper 70s, and it's also very breezy. Take a look at those winds coming out of the south around 28 miles per hour with gusts upwards about 38. So temperatures this afternoon, we're headed back towards the warm side. Even warmer could be our first 80-degree day of the year. It's about 80 for Bryan College Station, 82 for Conroe and Hempstead. Now, these unseasonably warm temperatures, they will stay in place as we go throughout all week, as well as those windy conditions coming out of the south around 10 to 20 miles per hour. But we do have a cold front headed this way, and really even for Thursday drops our temperatures, but we still stay above average. Here's a look at that whole system that's up to the north, that big cold front making its way throughout North Texas, Oklahoma right now. Really not a whole lot of activity for PinPoint forecast, for PinPoint radar. Really seeing those spotty showers and that line of storms making its way just to the north of us and out to the west. So could have some of those little isolated showers pop up today, this afternoon, but really that activity is going to be coming tomorrow. So here's our severe weather outlook for your Tuesday. We are under the thunderstorms, the lowest amount, but that isn't really our biggest concern. We'll, of course, keep an eye out for those thunderstorms if any of them do become strong or severe, but really what we're watching for is the slight to moderate risk for excessive rainfall. So here's a look at our rainfall totals all the way that we go throughout Thursday. If you remember last week, we had the rainy, dreary conditions, but we only picked up about 0.2 of an inch. This week, completely different story. We're seeing anywhere from about 1 to 5 inches, with that heaviest rain really setting up to the northern counties and then starting to slowly taper off as we go down further south and to the east. So definitely get the umbrella out, get the rain gear as well, and be prepared as we'll pick up quite a bit more of that rainfall this week. PinPoint forecast for the rest of your Monday, just some spotty showers possible. That starts as we go over Tuesday night into your Tuesday morning, but really not going to be a complete washout just yet. Tuesday does we go throughout the day, pretty spotty, pretty scattered, and then we'll start to see a little bit more of that heavier activity set up as we go Tuesday night and then into your Wednesday morning. So here's about 4, 5, 6 in the morning. That's when that line of strong storms makes its way to central Brazos Valley. Yellow, red, orange color, that's where we have those heavier storm setup and the stronger rainfall and heavier rainfall totals as well. That will push east across the area. Looks like PinPoint wants to get it out in time by about 8, 9 o'clock, but by lunchtime, we're still seeing more rounds of those storms making their way here and continuing throughout the afternoon. So as we saw earlier, as far as rainfall total, is about 1 to 3 inches for most, up to about 5 inches. That's really for the northern counties. So flooding, that is our main threat, and it's going to be pretty isolated, but since we're getting so much rain at one time, that is why we have that flooding threat. Severe weather, that's pretty low, but those winds, like today, staying very breezy and gusty, that will continue all the way throughout the week. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. That rain chance still stays with us Thursday and into the weekend, but does taper off quite a bit down to about 30% and not looking like too severe of activity for right now. Temperatures, as we talked about, they're staying pretty mild, even overnight lows into the 50s to 60s. Afternoon highs, we're stopping at the mid to upper 70s even throughout the weekend. We'll continue to keep you updated on that rain chance for Tuesday and Wednesday, and we'll, of course, keep you updated all the way throughout everything as we go throughout the entire week.